choose a room and start the... Let's lay the floor tiles. Next, let's get bed, wardrobe, and dresser ready for the bedroom. Next, let's assemble the dresser. Awesome! Let's saw the bedboard. A soft and comfortable bed is ready. Good job! Assemble the wardrobe. Put the clothes in the wardrobe. You're awesome! Now, let's choose some exquisite furniture and decorations. Let's do it! Which wallpaper should we choose? You don't have enough coins. Pick the floor tile you like. This bedroom is so beautifully designed. Let's take a picture to record it. This is a toy room. We can set up a tent, put blocks and toys here. Put away books and toys into different storage boxes. Put the floor mat. Which toy should be put here? Good job! Let's put blocks here. You're awesome! A tent for kids can be set up here. Awesome! Scrape off the broken poster. We can hang the cardboard once a nail is knocked in. Good job! Next, choose some toys and decorations you like. Let's do it! Wow, this toy room must be great fun. Let's take a picture to record it. I love my castle. Thank you, Mew Mew. Thank you. Glad to hear that you like my design. Wow, this castle has a garden! Hello, designer Mew Mew. I am Mimi, owner of this castle. Can you help me decorate it? No problem. You can count on me. We plan to build a fountain, flower bed, swing, and kennel in the garden. Let's go!